From the heart of New York City, on Fifth Avenue at Trump Plaza, it's Bryant Gumbel and Jane Clayson. This is The Early Show on CBS.
Coming up next, a must-see for people who can't stand the dentist drill. And later, actor Guy Pearce will be here to talk about time travel. 8:14, we're back with that and more after this.
Okay, the sight and sound of a dentist drill still sends shivers up the spine of a lot of otherwise brave men and women. Thankfully, help is on the way. Our Lisa Birnbach has details, and this morning's Yikes on my grown-up. LB, I can't wait.
It's the dentist, and we're both smiling. Believe it or not, nearly 50% of Americans don't see a dentist regularly, while many of those who do consider it a necessary evil. Now, some dentists are trying to change all that by making each visit a pampering and painless experience.
We have warm peach center today with vitamin E and aloe.
Enjoy the soothing sensation of warm wax softening your skin. Next, relax in the revitalizing chair.
As music plays, you're going to feel all of the motion massage throughout your whole entire body. Now I'm going to go ahead and slip your virtual reality glasses on. This is where you can slip into your movie. My best friend's wedding coming up.
Welcome to the spa, the dental spa. This is the Atlanta office of Dr. Deborah Gray King.
Are you comfortable?
Very more comfortable than at home.
So many times when dentists are portrayed on TV, we're either the nerds or the psychopaths, and I kind of take it on as my mission to change the way that the public feels about going to the dentist and having dentistry performed.
Dr. King realized that many patients were postponing or avoiding their dental work altogether because of the fear of pain. King knew the key was to take the patient's focus away from the mouth, and it worked.
What I had expected to be one of the more horrific experiences that I had to go through turned out being one of the most pleasant.
It's not an uncommon fear. I mean, there are loads of people walking up and down these streets with filthy teeth.
Therapist Deborah Cooper has treated hundreds of adults who are afraid to go to the dentist.
What happens is the actual pain is not as bad as the fear. The fear causes it to be 3 times bigger. So if you can eliminate the fear of it, you've got a third of the pain.
Open. Right.
8 months ago, Dr. Paul Tanners began offering reflexology in his New York City practice. Issa massages pressure points in the feet to help relieve pain and release stress.
Have you seen patients fall asleep while you've treated them?
Yes, most of the time, especially when they do the root canal therapy.
For root canal, they're falling asleep?
Yeah.
Were you apprehensive at all about coming to the dentist?
No.
No. Was it because you knew you'd get your feet massaged? Yes. Your feet are still being massaged as we speak.
Yes. The last time when he was doing the prep work, I stayed 10 minutes after he was finished.
The focus really should be more on top-quality dentistry than relaxation. However, in order to be able to do that top-quality dentistry, it's important to relax patients and make them accept the treatment. Open chair.
Help you relax. So really block out the dental office. I'm going to put a lavender eye mask on you.
In Texas, Dr. Kent Smith uses aromatherapy along with the sights and sounds of water to affect the patient's mood and decrease anxiety.
We have people all the time that they say they used to be halfway to the dentist office and they would turn around and drive back to work, back home, and call with some excuse. No, they don't do that.
Opens up her senses and feels all tingly.
There's been no pain at all. I had 2 fillings today. Didn't feel a thing.
And if movies, music, and massage aren't enough to soothe your dental phobias, Dr. Smith also offers a milkshake at the end of each visit. Complimentary, of course.
It's really, really good.
Out of town.
No. I'm sure you're wondering how much extra it costs to have a foot massage while you're getting your root canal, or if the dentist expects his patients to kick in a little extra for his candle budget. Well, believe it or not, these services are usually free.
No.
Spa dentistry is a feel-good.
Come on, they're free?
They are free.
They pass the cost along in some fashion.
Well, possibly, but
possibly.
We're told they're free, and people are very happy to avail themselves of these.
You really believe the guy fell asleep during root canal?
I know he fell asleep while he was having...
I think he was sedated.
No, he wasn't sedated. No, they're not sedated for root canal. That's the other thing Dr. Tanners told me. The tooth is knocked out with Novocaine, which they heat to the body temperature so that the cold, aggressive pain of the Novocaine is gone. Novocaine...
I hope my buddy Dr. Phil is watching. Dr. Phil.
This is the dental experience for you, Brian.
Thank you, LB.
Okay.
Guy Pearce is coming up. Back after this.